Namokar mantra is the greatest unifier of the mankind. Namokar mantra is the most significant mantra in Jainism. It is articulated in Prakrit, a more ancient language than Sanskrit. It is also called Maha Mantra. What is remarkable about this mantra is that it does not salute any particular personage like Lord Rishabh, Lord Parshvanath, or Lord Mahavir of the Jain pantheon. There is no other mantra, I feel, which addresses such a broad spectrum of coverage as Namokar mantra. It salutes everyone and everywhere, starting with those engaged in spiritual practices to the enlightened being who have merged with the light, gone beyond the cycle of life and death. How to get connected through the salutation? It begins with Namo, which is a salutation. This is a technique to bow down, open your heart so that you can receive the cosmic blessings. When you are full of reverence, your heart is open and accepting. You develop alpha waves in your mind. When you chant Namo, your tongue hits the upper palate, which in turn influences the hypothalamus, which regulates your behavior through thinking pattern. Chanting Namo brings mind on alpha waves, which connects you to the heart and the subconscious. They make you calm and quiet. Any heart filled with reverence is an oasis of peace where meditation becomes easy. Seeing is achieving. There is a law that whatever you want to achieve in life, you begin to see it with closed eyes or even open. Those who you see are connected to you. It is then that you begin to receive vibration from there. It is impossible to achieve anything in life without first being able to see it. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in the physical form. This is why I say, whatever you want to achieve in life, start seeing it first. We are connected to those whom we salute and perceive mentally. Belief and truth are different. Belief is conceptualization and truth is in experience. We need to evolve from belief system to the truth. You have to learn to plant seed of divinity in yourself. Namokar mantra salutes 5 different levels of souls on the spiritual plane. As I have said earlier, it is like planting the seed of divinity in your own self. Repeating a name is considered to be the most effective way for changing your mental and spiritual pattern. When you chant together, it brings additional energy and power to your practice. The Namokar mantra is also called Maha Mantra in Jainism. Well, the power and potential of this mantra is comparable to very few mantras across the world. In this context, it is worth acknowledging that every religious practice has a mantra. It is akin to what a national flag is to a country, or even what a national anthem means in a country. Namokar mantra is the biggest tool of unification of the mankind. In Namokar mantra or Maha mantra, we celebrate virtues. Those imbued with those virtues are in the process saluted, irrespective of which religions they come from, which caste they come from, which creed they come from. The hierarchy in Namokar mantra is decided not by the power of information and power of follower. It is based on the karmic evolution of that particular being. Today, religion is often considered as a source of discrimination, disagreement, or conflict. With essence of Namokar mantra, it can become the greatest unifier. In India, there are 300,000 gods and partial gods. The radar of Anamukar mantra by their karmic status covers it all. All other mantras are like surgical strike. Anamukar mantra is a full-fledged divine bombardment covering them all. What is the aim of Mahamantra? What are its benefits? It aligns to the spiritual beings on human journey and otherwise. Today, with advancement in phonic and sonic technologies, we understand the science of sound more accurately. It has been proved beyond doubt that any sound energy produced is neither destroyed nor disappears anywhere. It remains in the universe, is stored in what we call Akash or sky. You can consider the sky as a record player. Every groove of the record is the sound you create. In Russia, considerable research has led to understanding of these grooves and the recording mechanism. Chanting vocally or mentally purifies them space. It cleanses our aura around. As long all religion tradition will worship and follow persons and there is scriptures ignoring others, there would be disunion and conflict. If all the unanimity decide to salute and follow the virtues and the truth, the essence of which is the same, it will bring different kind of love and harmony. Namokar mantra in strict sense is not a Jain mantra but universal mantra for whole mankind. It is unifier and equalizer for all the living beings. The Maha Mantra is variously referred to as Pancham Namaskar Maha Mantra or Navakar Mantra. While reciting it, the devotee bows with respect to the Supreme Five, the Aryan, or those who have destroyed the four inimical karmas, the Siddha, or the liberated soul, who have destroyed all the 8 karmas, the Acharya or the spiritual leaders, the Upadhyay, the preceptor or ascetics, and the sadhus, or all the spiritual practitioners, monks, and sages in the universe. The mantra goes like this: Namo Arhantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loye Sabvasaunam.